What is LangChain? Why is it one of the fastest growing AI tools of all time? And how can you use it to get ahead of everyone? My name is Ondrej and here is a simple introduction to LangChain. First off, what even is LangChain? I think the best explanation is right in its name. The Lang part stands for language, which refers to the use of large language models like GPT-4 from OpenAI. And the chain part stands for chaining or connecting these language models together. Basically, LangChain is a tool that makes it very easy to build new apps using existing AI models. What's interesting is that LangChain was actually made for people who have limited knowledge in the AI field, so that literally anyone can build a new AI app. By the way, if you're finding value in this, then please subscribe. The timing of LangChain was literally perfect. It was launched in October of last year, literally right before ChatGPT was released. So it is just 7 months old, and even right now it works with many different services like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and much more. And it can read over 50 different document types, from PDFs to CSV files to Google Docs, Excels, Microsoft Docs, anything. LangChain already has over 36,000 stars on GitHub, which makes it one of the fastest growing AI projects ever. Not as fast as AutoGPT though. Despite being barely 7 months old, the startup is already valued at over $200 million with a $20 million investment from Sequoia Capital, which is one of the biggest VC firms in the world. But that's not all. A week after that $20 million investment, LangChain has announced another $10 million seed investment from Benchmark. Yo, these guys are on fire. So why is LangChain so huge? What problems does it solve? The reason why LangChain is important is because it bridges the gap between existing language models like the ones from OpenAI or Hugging Face and external data sources. To put it super simply, it makes building new things with AI much easier. Some of the biggest benefits of LangChain include components, easy to swap and customize, speed, it's regularly updated, and community. They have frequent meetups in real life on their Discord, and also they host webinars all the time. Think of it like this: LangChain allows you and me, the everyday person, to use these advanced models like GPT-4 or Llama and build new things with them, like mobile apps, website, services, products, anything you can imagine. A very simple example I can give you is that with LangChain, you can build your own version of ChatGPT, your own chatbot with your own data. So let's say you have a lot of documents from work or school or your personal writing, let's say you're an author, right? And you want to train a new language model on your own data and create your own chatbot that you can ask questions to, and it knows that data. You know, ChatGPT doesn't know what's on your computer, but with LangChain, you can create your own chatbot that knows everything you want it to. Okay, so LangChain is this new revolutionary technology. But who is behind this? Who is the developer? Well, his name is Harrison Chase, and he's a Harvard graduate. And let me tell you, this guy is more excited about AI than just about anyone. Like, if you want to get more hyped about the AI revolution, watch some interviews. What he is doing with LangChain is super smart. It's like the picks and shovel strategy. You know, when there was the gold rush in the 1800s, the people who got the richest weren't the ones mining for gold. It was the people who were selling picks and shovels. And right now, in the AI revolution, everybody is trying to create their own product, you know, their own tool. There's like 1,000 new tools every week. But his approach is different. He built the framework for the people who are creating the tools to use. So it's kind of genius if you think about it. The applications of LangChain are literally endless, and if you learn about LangChain, it will help you stay ahead of everybody else in the AI field. And if you're interested in starting your own business with LangChain, I got some business ideas for you. First off, a customer service chatbot. You can utilize LangChain to connect it to something like Zapier to create a new customer service chatbot. Now this could be for your own company, or you can license this and sell this as software as a service, you know, a SaaS product. Now every single company basically needs a good customer service solution, and it's only a matter of time before someone develops a product so good that everybody starts using it. Basically kind of like Zoom. Zoom became so popular during the pandemic because it was a great product and everybody suddenly got the need to use it. Now the need for customer service is already there, so if you build the customer service product that's great and that everybody uses, you have a bright future ahead of you. Another business idea is to build a content summarization tool, maybe a Chrome extension or a website. So let's say you take a really long book, like an ebook, or these, you know, congressional bills that are endless and that use super complex words that nobody understands. Well, guess what? Language models like GPT-4 understand them very easily. and they can summarize them very quickly. The issue is though that right now you can't upload documents into ChatGPT, and also GPT-4 has a 32,000 token character limit. That's the best model. The base one is only 4,000 tokens, which is like, 3,000 words. That's not a very long document. But if you use LangChain, you could split that on your PC into many parts, feed that into GPT-4 through LangChain, and let that summarize it for you or for somebody else, which would be a pretty good business idea. Another huge application that I myself would definitely use is a personal assistant that's built on top of the productivity tools like Notion, Todoist, ClickUp. Imagine you would have like a Chrome extension, let's say, that would see all of your tasks, prioritize them automatically, maybe group them together. It would know your goals, so it could eliminate the useless tasks and maybe create new ones if it sees some gaps. The applications are literally endless. And again, everybody needs and wants a personal assistant. It's just that the product isn't there yet. So if you create a good personal assistant using LangChain, you'll make some big bucks. One more business idea that has huge demand right now is resume analysis and job matching. These large tech companies, they have thousands, tens of thousands of people applying every single month, and they need an effective way to going through those applications. So if you build a product that can go through applications not only effectively but also very thoroughly, that way you don't miss any great candidates. If you pull that off, you will immediately have an endless line of clients lining up your door wanting your LangChain product. Now hopefully you found some value in this. If you did, then please subscribe. I want to get to 1,000 subs so I can monetize this channel and maybe make some dollars from it as well.